Hey there, NextWave Bikes family. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of pure Italian engineering with none other than the 2025 Aprilia RSV4. Known for its unparalleled performance and racing DNA, this bike is a true masterpiece, designed for those who crave speed and precision. So let's fire it up and break down its jaw-dropping design, cutting-edge features, and track-bred performance. You won't want to miss this one. Starting with the design, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is a visual stunner. Aprilia has taken cues from the racetrack and combined them with sleek, futuristic aesthetics. The aggressive front fascia, featuring signature triple LED headlights, gives the RSV4 an unmistakable look. Every line and curve is engineered for speed, with aerodynamic winglets integrated into the fairing to provide extra downforce, enhancing stability at high speeds. The sculpted tank and tail section not only add to the bike's race-inspired appearance, but also ensure optimal rider ergonomics, making it feel like an extension of your body on the track. Features. When it comes to technology, Aprilia always pushes the boundaries, and the 2025 RSV4 is no exception. The bike comes equipped with a full-color 5-inch TFT display that keeps you informed with all the essential data you need during your ride. Aprilia's advanced electronics package includes the APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control System, offering adjustable traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and multiple riding modes tailored to your preferences. And for those who demand precision, the quick shifter with auto blipper ensures seamless gear changes without missing a beat. Of course, the RSV4 also boasts smartphone connectivity, so you can monitor performance stats and make real-time adjustments. Now, let's get to the heart of the 2025 RSV4 performance. This beast is powered by Aprilia's legendary 11099cc V4 engine, delivering an exhilarating 217 horsepower, pushing the limits of what's possible on two wheels. Whether you're tearing up the track or dominating the streets, the ride-by-wire throttle response is immediate and razor-sharp. The enhanced Öhlins suspension system and Brembo braking setup ensure maximum precision and control, providing confidence even in the most demanding situations. With its lightweight aluminum chassis and superb handling dynamics, the RSV4 is all about giving you the ultimate racing experience, no matter where you ride. And there you have it, an in-depth look at the 2025 Aprilia RSV4, a bike that combines beauty, technology, and raw performance in perfect harmony. If this adrenaline-pumping machine has got you as hyped as we are, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to NextWave Bikes for more thrilling reviews and deep dives into the world of high-performance motorcycles. Let us know in the comments what bike you'd like us to cover next. Ride hard, ride safe, and keep chasing that speed. Thanks for watching.